So hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question of 3005, that is count elements with maximum frequency, and in this we'll be given an array nums of positive integers, and we have to return the total frequencies of elements in nums such that those elements who all have the maximum frequency. And the frequency of an element is, I hope the frequency is just that, the definition of the frequency. For example, in this we are given a nums that is 1 2 2 3 1 4. The elements 1 and 2 are having a frequency of 2, which is the maximum. So the number of elements in the array with maximum frequency comes out to be 4, that is 1 1 and 2 2, that sums up to 4. But in the second example we are having 1 2 3 4 5. The maximum frequency is 1 and all the elements are having one frequency only, so the answer is 5. Okay, so now let's just I hope that everyone knows what we have to do. And now what we'll be doing is we'll just use a frequency counter, or you can say a hash map, to count the frequency of each numbers, and we'll be just forming the object from that, and then we'll be having a maximum frequency that will be equal to maximum of count frequency counter dot values. And now we know that we are having the maximum frequency, and now what we'll be doing is let's have an array of maximum frequency elements that will be equal to num for num number comma frequency in frequency underscore counter dot items, where we have to keep a track that the frequency of every element should be equal to the maximum frequency, where and if we have to update only then that frequency is equal to the maximum frequency. Okay, and now let's just return the total frequency that will be equal to the maximum underscore frequency into the length of the maximum frequency elements. And let's just copy it from here, paste it here, and let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.